शेयर हो रही है?
हाँ
सर क्लियर है?
हाँ चलो स्टार्ट करो।
सर सबसे पहला टॉपिक है मेजरमेंट। Measurement is defined as a quantification of physical variable using a measuring
अच्छा,
instrument
प्रदीप
during
सुनो एक सेकेंड, फर्स्ट उस पे स्टार्टिंग से आओ, स्टार्टिंग से और कुछ
हो गया सर, यहीं से स्टार्ट।
हाँ यही से स्टार्ट, ठीक है। यहाँ पे बेटा आपको इंट्रोडक्शन देना होगा कि मेरा नाम ये है, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, मतलब बीटेक कर रहा हूँ, इस कॉलेज से कर रहा हूँ, एंड मैं यहाँ पे क्यों आया, यहाँ पे मैं प्रेजेंट करने आया हूँ टॉपिक जो कि ये मेजरमेंट सब्जेक्ट में करता है। और ठीक है, मैं मेरा जो डोमेन जो टॉपिक है ये है, एंड नाउ आई प्रेजेंट। उसके बाद कंटेंट से आपकी स्लाइड स्टार्ट हो रही है, बताना है कि दीज आर द कंटेंट्स ऑफ द माय स्लाइड्स, ठीक है, वहां से शुरू करो। यहाँ पे इंट्रोडक्शन दो।
Hello everyone, my name is Pradeep Yadav. I am pursuing engineering from Government Engineering College Bharatpur in mechanical third year. And today I am presenting the subject measurement and metrology, and the topic is the concept of measurement, general concept of measurement, need of measurement, generalized measurement system and units in the first unit of the measurement and metrology subject. So let's continue. In my group, these are 5 members, and definition, concept of measurement, general concept of measurement, need of measurement, generalized measurement system, unit and standard, accuracy and precision. Now, first of all, measurement. Measurement is defined as quantification of a physical variable using a measuring instrument. During the process of measurement, a specific value is assigned to the unknown quantity after due comparison with a predefined standard. The measuring process is presented in figure. Now, the figure is this on the screen. There are some subtopic in the concept of measurement system which are related to measurement. All these topics are so the variation of their physical properties and quantity due to some change in temperature, pressure, etc. Now start the subtopic. सबसे फर्स्ट टॉपिक है hysteresis. When the value of quantity remains same, irrespective of whether the measurement has been obtained in an ascending or descending order, a system is said to be free from hysteresis. Many instruments reproduce the same reading due to presence of hysteresis. Second topic is linear. Measuring system is said to be linear if it uniformity responds to increment change. That is, the output value is equal to input value of measure property for a specific range. And next topic is resolution. Resolution is the smallest change in a physical property that an instrument can sense. For example, weighing machine is in a gymnastic normally sense weight variation in kilogram, whereas a weighing machine in jewelry shop can detect weight in milligram. Threshold. If the input of the instrument is gradually increased from 0 A minimum value of that input is required to detect the output. This minimum value of input is defined as threshold of the instrument. The numerical value of the input to cause a change in output is called threshold value of the instrument. Drift. Drift can be defined as variation caused in output of an instrument which is not caused by any change in input. Drift is a measuring instrument is mainly caused by internal temperature variation and lack of component stability. Zero stability. Zero stability is defined as ability of an instrument to return to zero reading after input signal or measurand come back to zero value and other variation due to temperature, pressure, vibration, magnetic effect, etc. have been eliminated. Loading effect. Loading effect is defined as incapability of measuring system to faithfully measure, record, or control the measurand in undistorted form. It may occur in any of three stages of measurement or sometimes may be carried right down to basic elements themselves. System response. The behavior of a measuring system under the varying condition of input with respect to time is known as dynamic response. There are two types of dynamic input: state, periodic quantity, and transient magnitude. Second topic is journal measurement concept. In journal measurement concept, the primary objective is that quantity of component या फिर specific quantity या फिर variation of the component for different types of machines and other things. The primary objective of the measurement is in industry inspection is to determine the quality of component manufacturer. Different quality requirement such as permission tolerance limit, form, surface, in finish size, and flatness have to considered to check the conformity of the component to the quality specification. In order to realize this quantitative information of a physical object or process has to be acquired by comparison with a reference. The three basic elements of measurement shown in figure which are significant as are following. There are 3 points in this topic. Measurand, a physical quantity such as length, weight, and angle to be measured. Second, comparator, to be compare the measurand physical quantity with a known standard reference for evaluation. Third, reference, the physical quantity or property to which quantitative comparison are to be made, which are internationally accepted. And figure is on your screen. Now, third topic is general measurement system. Especially consists of 3 stages. Each of these stages perform certain step to that the value of physical variable to be measured is displayed as an output for our reference. Figure is presented on screen. The 3 stages of measurement system are as following: primary detector, transducer stage, intermediate modifying stage, output or terminating stage. Now, fourth topic is need of measurement. In point of inspection. Inspection is defined as a procedure in which a part or product characteristics such as a dimension is examined to determine whether it conform to the design specification. Basically, inspection is carried out to isolate and evaluate a specific design or quantity attribute of a component or a product. Industrial inspection assume importance because of mass production which involve interchangeability of a part. These are needs in points. ascertain that the part material or component conform the established or desired standard. Second, accomplish interchangeability of manufacturing. Third, sustain customer goodwill by ensuring that no defective product reaches the customer. Fourth, provide the means of finding out inadequacy in manufacturing. The result of inspection are recorded and reported to the manufacturing department for further action to ensure production of acceptable part of and reduction in scrap. Fifth, purchase good quality raw material, tool, and equipment that govern the quality of the finished product. Coordinate the function of quality tool, production, purchasing, and other department of the organization. Seven, take the decision to perform an effective part, that is to assess the possibility of making some of these parts acceptable minor repair. Now, in which book I taken these content, the next topic is from metrology. So, metrology, which literally means science of measurement, not only deal with the establishment, reproduction, protection, maintenance, transfer, or conversion of unit of measurement and their standard, but it also concerned with the correctness of the measurement. One of the major functions of metrology is to establish international standard for measurement used by all countries and industry. Now, the in metrology standard is this. A standard is defined as a fundamental value of a known physical quantity as established by national and international organization of authority which can be reproduced. Standard play a crucial, a vital role for manufacturer across the world in achieving consistency, accuracy, precision, and repeatability in measurement and in supporting the system that enable the manufacturer to make such component. In fact, any progress made in manufacturing and other business sector at international arena necessitates that activities at high scientific and technical level have to be accomplished. Auto, automation in manufacturing industry demand a very high level of accuracy, precision, and reliability. The sixth topic is units. It is a fixed number used as a standard of a measurement. There are basic 7 basic unit established under SI unit, and the diagram is given on screen. First, length, mass, thermodynamic temperature, amount of the substance, electricity current, and luminous intensity. And in the unit, there are subtopic and units: length. Meter is defined as the value given in a skin wavelength of the red or orange radiation of krypton 86 atom in vacuum. The modern meter was defined as length of the part traveled by light in vacuum during a time interval of value given of a second. And the next part of the PPT presented by Ravi Verma. Thank you.
So how was the PPT class? आप सब लोग सुन रहे थे कि नहीं, बस बंद करके बैठ गए?
Yes, sir.
So कैसी थी PPT? Yes, Harshvardhan, how was the PPT? हर्षवर्धन नहीं है लगता है। ओके, सो पीपीटी वाज गुड। जिस तरह से बनाया गया है पीपीटी अच्छा था। बस थोड़े से पॉइंट्स हैं जो जो मेरे उससे मैच नहीं करते हैं, बट मैं इसको खराब नहीं रहूंगा। पीपीटी मतलब ठीक है, अच्छी पीपीटी, बट पीपीटी थोड़ी लेंदी लगी मेरे को, और बेटर एक्सप्लेनिंग और हो सकती थी बाय यूजिंग आप, क्योंकि आप मोबाइल से कर रहे हो ना अभी प्रदीप?
यस सर।
हाँ, अगर लैपटॉप से करते तो आई थिंक उसमें जो कर्सर मूव करता है चीज़ों में वो थोड़ा सा और इफेक्टिव हो जाता, बट ओवरऑल ठीक है। ओके, बढ़िया।
थैंक यू।
सो हु विल नेक्स्ट? ग्रुप में तुम्हारे में 4 मेंबर है ना?
5।
5 है।
यस सर।
सो हु विल नेक्स्ट?
रवि प्लीज प्रेजेंट द पीपीटी।
प्रदीप अपना इसको अनशेयर कर दो और ये ग्रुप में डाल दो पीपीटी, और इसमें जो भी चेंजेस होगा ना, मतलब पीपीटी में थोड़ा सा चेंजेस करवाना है वो चेंज कर दो, और फिर दोबारा से पोस्ट कर देना अगेन इस पीपीटी को ग्रुप में। यस रवि वर्मा।
हेलो।
Yes.
हेलो। पीटीआर विजिबल?
यस।
देख रही है।
Now we go to the topic of standards. My name is Ravi Verma, a BTech third year student, GEC Bharatpur, going to present the PPT next part on the topic of standards. Now, standards is defined as the fundamental value of any known physical quantity as established by nation or international organization of authority which can be reproduced. Second point, standards plays a vital role for manufacturers across the world in achieving consistency, accuracy, precision, or repeatability in measurement and in supporting the system that enables the manufacturers to make such measurements. As we know, standards are placed with impossible. Hello. Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
In India, we have National Physical Laboratory which stands the standards and perform the standards. The National Physical Laboratory (NPL) was established in UK in 1900. It is public institution for standardizing and verifying instruments, testing materials, and determining physical constraints. NPL India was established in 1947 in New Delhi under the counseling of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR. It also has to comply with the statutory obligation of realizing, stabilizing, maintaining, reproducing, and updating the national standard of measurement and calibration facilities for different parameters. There are three subdivisions of standards. First is primary standards, second is secondary standard, and third is tertiary standard. In the first, we learn the primary standard. For defining purpose, the primary standard, there shall be a one or only one material standard. So primary standard are preserved carefully and maintained under standard atmospheric condition that do not change with their values. Where secondary standard are derived from primary standard and reassemble them very close to with respect to design, different design material and lengths. Tertiary standard are ultimate control of standard that derived from primary and secondary standards. Then we have two type of measurement, line and end measurement, in which when the distance between two engraved lines is used to measure the length, it is called the line standard or line measurement. When the distance between two flat parallel surfaces is considered a measure of length, it is known as end standard or end measurement. There are some characteristics of line standard, in which we read the first. Measurement carried out using a scale are quick and easy and can be used over a wide range. Even though scales can be engraved accurately, it is not possible to take full advantage of this accuracy. The engraved lines themselves possesses thickness, making it difficult to perform measurement with high accuracy. Third, the marking on the scales are not subjected to wear. Undersizing occurs as the leading ends are subjected to wear. Fourth, the scale does not have a built-in datum, which makes the alignment of the scale with the axis of measurement difficult. This leads to undersizing. Fifth, the scale are subjected to parallax effect, thereby contributing to both positive and negative reading errors. Sixth, a magnifying lens or microscope is required for a close tolerance length measurement. Now the characteristics of end standard. End standards comprise a set of standard block or bar using which the required length is created. The first characteristic, these standards are highly accurate and ideal for making close tolerance measurement. Second, they measure only one dimension at a time, thereby consuming more time. Third, the measuring phases of end standards are subjected to wear. Fourth, they possess a built-in datum because their measuring phases are flat and parallel and can be positively located on the datum surface. Fifth, group of block slip gauges are rung together to create the required size. Faulty ringing leads to inaccurate results. Sixth, the end standard are not subjected to parallax error, as their use dependent on the feel of the operator. 7. The dimension tolerance as close as 0.0005 mm can be obtained from the end standards. There are a comparison of line and end standards based on the characteristics that principle of measurement, accuracy of measurement, ease and time of measurement, wear, alignment, manufacture, cost, parallax effect, ringing, and some example in which end standard scale on yard or line standard scale and in end standard slip gauges. There are some definition of the terms. The first is sensitivity. The ratio of the change of instrument indication to
बेटा इस वॉइस नहीं आ रही आपकी, जस्ट चेक।
Hello.
यस, अब ऑडिबल हो।
When successive readings of the measured quantity obtained from the measuring instrument are the same all time, the equipment is said to consistence. Third point is range. Range is defined as the difference between the lower and higher value that our instrument is able to measure. Fourth is calibration. Calibration is the procedure used to establish a relationship between the value of quantities indicated by the measuring instrument and the corresponding value realized by standard under specified condition. There are end of the slide of two topics. Next is carried about Saurabh. Thank you.
थैंक यू रवि। अभी थोड़ा स्टॉप करेंगे, सौरभ का हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में लेंगे। बट बिफोर डूइंग दैट थोड़ा सा मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि पीपीटी में थोड़ा सा चेंज करो, बिकॉज ऐसी बहुत सारी स्लाइड्स हैं आपकी जिसमें हेडिंग्स नहीं है। ठीक है, दो द कंटेंट इज गुड, कंटेंट ठीक है एंड प्रिसाइज, इट्स आल्सो प्रिसाइज, पर थोड़ा सा चेंज करना पड़ेगा पीपीटी में। जो पीपीटी किसने बनाया आप लोगों में से?
मैंने सर।
ओके, सो आप लोग आप इसमें एक बार मुझसे कंसल्ट कर लो आफ्टर दिस क्लास। ठीक है, इवनिंग में कर लेना, कॉल कर लेना, तो इसमें जो भी चेंजेस होंगे वो आप कर लेना इसमें। ठीक है, उसमें कुछ हेडिंग्स डालनी होंगी, कुछ चीजें होंगी, वो मैं और ऐड करवा दूंगा। ठीक है, सो हाँ, आप लोग जो भी प्रेजेंट करोगे नेक्स्ट इसमें, तो उससे पहले आप पीपीटी में सेंड करो कि सर ये पीपीटी, ऐसे कुछ बंदे सेंड करी सर पीपीटी बना ली मैंने, ये इसी पीपीटी था, उसमें मैं करेक्ट करा दूंगा। ठीक है, पीपीटी देना इट्स अ गुड थिंग। आप लोग मतलब जितना भी दिए, प्रदीप ने दिए और रवि ने दिए, आई थिंक इन्हें दिक्कत नहीं होगी कहीं प्रेजेंट करने में, बिकॉज अभी अभी ऑफलाइन चल रहा है। तो अभी जब ऑनलाइन में, जैसे मान लो क्लास में हो, पीपीटी दे रहे हो, तो एक अलग उसका इफेक्ट रहेगा, क्योंकि अभी तो आप सिंपल एक फोन में दे रहे हो, अपना रूम में अलग बैठे हो, तो वहाँ पे प्रेशर बिल्डअप नहीं हो रहा है। क्लास में एक अलग बिल्डअप होता है, तो हाँ पे बट भी बोलना आना चाहिए। ठीक है, तो एक स्किल तो डेवलप हो ही रही है। ठीक है, तो एक राइट ट्रैक पे जाने की कोशिश करेंगे, तो जो भी मैं एडिशन बोल रहा हूँ वो कर लें, ताकि वो चीज़ आपके इसमें आए। एक में इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि आप बनाना सीखो पीपीटी। ठीक है,
ठीक है सर।
ओके, तो इसको फिर हम यहीं एंड करते हैं आज। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्लास हमारी कब है? फ्राइडे?
यस सर।
ओके, तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली पहले तो ये ग्रुप 1 जो आई थिंक सौरभ है, और कौन है?
हरिओम
आकाश और
ओके, ठीक है, तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ये ग्रुप 1 हम कंप्लीट कर लेंगे, अगर हो पाए तो थर्ड वाले को भी ले लेंगे, बट हाँ, दो जो है मेंबर इनके पूरे हो जाएंगे। ठीक है, देन वी विल मूव टू खुशवंत, क्योंकि खुशवंत का पीपीटी ऑलरेडी आ गया, तो उसमें इंप्रूवमेंट करा देंगे। एंड देन कौन सा ग्रुप होगा नेक्स्ट? और किसने कुछ सर्च वर्च किया और टॉपिक जो डिफिकल्ट कुछ आ रही होगी डिस्कस करना?
सर
यस
सर, फोर्थ ग्रुप ने भी बना लिया है, अगर आप बता चाहे तो मैं आपको पीपीटी सेंड कर देता हूँ, आप बता दीजिए।
तो ठीक है, मुझे पीपीटी सेंड कर देना और शाम को मुझे कॉल कर लेना। अच्छा, आज मत करना, आज फिर रवि करेगा तो थोड़ा सा टाइम क्लैश करेगा। ठीक है, ओके, तो मुझे
सर
वेडनेसडे
आपको
कर लेना,
सेंड कर देता हूँ, मैं आपको कल कॉल कर
मुझे
लूँगा।
पर्सनली सेंड कर दो। ओके
सर
अच्छा, हर्षित, उसका फोन आया था मेरे पास, सुमित का। ये सुमित, आपने बात कर ली ग्रुप में?
यस सर।
कोई इशू नहीं है?
नो सर।
ठीक है, तो उस ग्रुप में कौन से ग्रुप में हो?
सर?
ग्रुप नंबर क्या है वो? हाँ, कौन?
हर्ष बोल रहा हूँ सर।
हाँ बोलिए हर्ष।
सर मैंने खुशवंत को पीपीटी सेंड कर दी थी सर, उसने आपको कर दी है, तो सर अब उसमें जो भी एडिटिंग है वो करनी है, जो भी चेंज करना है सर, तो सर ये हमारा टर्न अप कब आएगा? फ्राइडे के बाद आएगा, नेक्स्ट वीक में सर? फ्राइडे को आ जाएगा?
फ्राइडे को आ सकता है।
ओके सर।
बेटर हो कि प्रिपेयर हो, क्यों किसी पे डालो, मान लो कोई एब्सेंट हो गया उस दिन, राइट?
ठीक है सर।
जितनी जल्दी हो जाए अपना करके, अपना निकलो, फ्री हो जाओ।
हाँ नहीं सर, वो तो बना ली थी मैंने, अब खुशवंत बोला था एक बार सर को भेज के वो जो भी
फिर तो
इसमें
सही किया,
करना होगा वो।
इसने
तो सर
ऑलमोस्ट
वो
सेंड कर दी है, सारी सेंड कर दी है, मैं
हाँ, तो
उसमें
सर
बता
वो
दूंगा।
जो भी होगा तो मैं उसको कर लूंगा।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। ठीक है, ओके, सो वी विल एंड दिस क्लास।